we're gonna cook them in the pad seaweed. Pad mean pan fry. Anything you say P-A-D, P-A-D. Pad mean pan fry, stir fry is in our culture that take from China.
Welcome to Frenchitivity. I am here with Wandee at Pakinnaka Cooking School in Khao Lak. And tell us, where did we start our day today?
Our day we are start at picking you up from your hotel, at the hotel lobby, and then we bring you to the market for the market tour at Bang Niang Morning Market, where the market is for wholesale and resale, for the villager and also for the big restaurant and the big hotel.
So it was very special to be able to thank you for taking us there. And there we picked out our fresh ingredients to then come back to your cooking school. And what dishes did we prepare here today?
Today we are preparing 4 dishes together. The first time we already did tom yam soup, and tom kha gai. That's the additional. And also we did pad thai, with prawn and with chicken. And then we did the last one is Massaman curry. The Massaman curry is the most tastiest curry in the world, 2022. That ranked by CNN.
Is that right?
You can
Your
go
recipe.
back to research.
Yours.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's our recipe, but in general,
Yes.
Massaman curry is ranking by CNN as the best curry in the world, the most tastiest curry in the world.
Incredible.
In 2022. That time I was in Iceland to work as a Thai chef, and my special recipe is Massaman lentil.
Yes.
This is
So for people that don't know, Massaman curry, what's the difference between, maybe we call it yellow curry, green curry, red curry? What's so special about Massaman?
Massaman curry is our classical Muslim dish. This is long time ago, originally from India, and then it's become a Muslim dish. And what is special about Massaman is they have lots of spice, which is different from the other curry that they have a few spice. So the spice in the Massaman, you have cardamom, star anise, nutmeg flower, and nutmeg flower and powder together, and also cumin seed, coriander seed, peppercorn, and we have more.
So and more. And we made that all from scratch today.
From the
we
scratch
opened
today.
the coriander seed, we opened it all, and it was as fresh as it can be.
And the Massaman come from the word Massam.
Okay.
Massam means sour in Bahasa language or in the Muslim language. The Bahasa is the Muslim who live in the Southeast Asia. They use the same language. So it's sour. Sour because of the tamarind juice. That is special about this curry. In general, curry will have fish sauce and coconut sugar or palm sugar. But this curry have tamarind sauce as well. So sweet, sour, and salty, and a little spicy and oily. That's why the tastes are stronger, rich, and very tasty, and very special than any other curry.
You know, this is something so unique in our experience with you, is that I hear you are a teacher, and you really like to share the knowledge. We've learned so much about the culture and where even the long noodles came from, why we use the long noodles in pad thai. So tell me more about that, why you like to teach people and tell us all the information.
It's starting from the inspiration when I was traveling in New Zealand. The first time that I worked in another country, as a Thai chef, also in the Thai restaurant in Auckland. And the idea has happened during, not when I was cooking as a chef, but it's happened from when I was in the hostel. I was waiting just for resting in a hostel to do some small work, part-time job, beside of Thai chef, like fruit picking. So I was cooking green curry. I buy the whole chicken and I was chopping the chicken. And then I cook the green curry and I make my own scratch. And then we have many people from around the world. They come and ask, what curry, what is this food? Where are you from? Can you teach me how to cook? And then another day, Japanese come, another day, Italian come, another day, Brazilian come.
And they all want to learn.
They all want to learn, and I teach them for free.
Yes.
And I said, wow, I think I like more to become a teacher than a chef.
Yes.
Because the chef in the kitchen is a little bit too rush for me.
Okay.
And it's good that I can meet people around the world. So I said, okay, when I go back to Thailand after December, I'm going to open the school.
The idea was born.
Yeah, the idea was born in New Zealand.
Oh, that's amazing. And so where else have you been a chef? You've been a chef, you're a trained chef. You've been a chef in other parts of the world as well.
Yeah, especially in Iceland. Yeah. 2022, during the COVID, because I got no job.
So you had to close down the school
We have to
here.
close down the school here, and I said, what can I do? Okay, I can cook, I can speak English, so maybe I should apply as a Thai chef, because Thai teacher is very hard to apply. Iceland is my dream destination, so I can travel and I can work at the same time.
At the same time.
Yeah. When I was there, then finally the dream come true. Then I changed the crisis to be the opportunity.
The opportunity.
So I start working there. Yeah, and there I was also invented my own recipe. Also Massaman curry.
Okay.
So today we cook my
Your
specialist
recipe.
in Iceland. But in Iceland they cook it with lamb shank. Because they have very good quality of lamb shank. But today we cook it with chicken. Which is it's easy for us to find the chicken in Thailand, and we have good quality of the chicken
Very
breast.
good chicken, yes. Well, and I thank you for sharing that, because I love how it's all connected. Like you said, you turned crisis into an opportunity.
Yeah.
And then still found your way back, though, to have your school. You have the cooking school, but what else do you offer?
I also have bed and breakfast.
Bed and breakfast.
Yeah. Also, it comes from the idea that I like the people around the world to come and stay with me and relax. And I do have a little small hobby like a craft beer.
A craft
I
beer.
used to craft my own beer with my nephew, but now it's too much work for me.
You're busy.
So we have a craft beer from different places from Thailand.
That's incredible.
And then we have here craft beer, and also like a chef table. People can order the dinner, and we will create the menu for you.
Prepare for them.
Yeah, prepare for them.
Amazing. Yeah. You have all.
Also, I have food tour.
And a food tour.
Foodie culture tour.
Of course. Of course.
We bring people to taste all the yummy food. That
when
is
do you-
happen.
Well, go ahead.
That was happen about once a month or twice a month.
Okay.
It's like a hobby.
That's so fun. And what do you do for fun? You enjoy cooking, of course, but you're working very hard right now. What else do you like to do for you to relax?
I love chilling out in the cafe, go to Phuket town, Old Town, and also my other activity is surfing.
Surfing.
Yeah, I enjoy surfing and yoga. Yeah,
too.
that is my favorite thing to do.
That's your time.
But in general, I love food tasting, so I go everywhere to eat yummy food.
It's
so.
why you can identify all the flavors, all the tastes, and how you could help us adjust our spice or adjust to our tastes the entire time today. Even though you were helping 10 people cook, you had the ability to adjust to everyone.
Yeah.
That's it. That's beautiful.
All
Such
about
a skill.
the food.
All about the food.
And also taking a picture. Like I love to taking a picture.
Pictures.
Because I used to be a journalist also as culture magazine, traveling, and also writing the article about food.
Oh my
That's why I know about
You've
food.
got the dream careers all wrapped into one.
Yes.
Okay, two final things. You also have been on camera, on TV before.
Yes.
Tell everyone about the show that you were part of as a trainer, as a teacher.
Yeah. It was really fun. It was my first time in the TV show. So the World Cook Season 2 on Amazon Prime. It was in January. I have a chance to teach two finalists, which is one come from Hungary and one come from Scotland. This is I cook my own recipe. They cook my recipe. Drunken grasshopper.
Drunken grasshopper.
Drunken grasshopper. So It's about the memories, childhood memory with my dad. That we like to just cook some insect for fun
Yes,
to
for
eat
fun.
together for New Year.
To see what it's going to be like. Okay.
And they was contact me and see if any idea that I can arrange the menu or invent the menu for them. So I said, why don't we just do the drunken grasshopper, because we have very good quality of drunken prawn here that we cook in our cooking school. Yeah. So it's the herbs, spice, sauce, fresh prawn, but now we make it in the drunken prawn.
Grasshopper.
Yeah.
We saw some footage of that. Yes,
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
amazing.
We
And
like it.
so neat that and that you showed people who had such different cultural cuisine background, and then you showed them your specialty.
Yeah.
With a childhood memory as well.
Yeah,
which is
with my
beautiful,
dad
with your
memory.
dad.
Yeah.
And your sister was here with us today as well.
Yeah,
Does
yeah.
anyone else in the family work in your business?
My sister come to visit, and my family used to be my nephew. He worked helping me with the driving and reservation, but now he go back to do the farming, but he's still helping online with the reservation, with the accounting, thing like this.
Busy, so many
Yeah,
things to do.
yeah, so many things.
One final question for you.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm going to do it. Tell us about the name. I know you said this is from the old language. Tell us, what is the name of your school
It
name?
means miscellaneous. You understand, right?
Miscellaneous?
Miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous. Oh,
Miscellaneous means more.
more. A little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything, because we are not just cooking school, but sometimes we are the space for people to come and enjoy and share the idea about food.
Yes.
Or we could be chef trainer for people who want to be a chef, or we could host the restaurant owner who want to make the Thai restaurant there. I have many restaurant
train
owners
them too.
come
Yeah.
to train with me, and sometimes I have a small Thai chef that who want to go abroad and they want to train with me. So it's so
you
many
really
things.
do everything.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
it's all about many things, not just to teach people,
So
but
miscellaneous.
to enjoy.
Beautiful, and to enjoy. And we met incredible people today, and so you
Yeah.
are bringing people together, and you are sharing your knowledge that we can take back and share with other people, which is definitely Frenchitivity. How can people connect with you? How can they follow you? Come join your classes? What's the best way?
Okay, you can also follow me on Instagram.
course.
Yeah, Wandee space Ratta.
Okay.
And also you can follow us on the website. We have website. Later you can provide the website.
Of course.
www.pakinnaka.com. Yeah.
We'll link everything.
Yeah.
We absolutely
Yeah.
will. And you have been a pleasure. Thank you for sharing your talents with us, our family, and all the guests here today, and spending this time with me.
Yeah.
You have made our lives brighter, tastier, and I'll try to replicate it at home. I'll try.
Yeah. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ